guys, so this video is just going to be a meet my dog video, and I have 4 dogs, but she's the only one that I can really reach right now because she was laying in my bed. So her name is Mandy, and she is a dachshund or Winnie dog, and she is so cute. I love her so much. Come here, baby. It's okay. And this is her, honey. Yeah, that's her. She's so cute. She has this like black stripe that goes up her nose and stops like right here, and then continues pretty much down her back and down her tail. So she's just wearing like a little purple collar. And it's okay, baby. And she's so cute. She's my cuddle buddy. She's the one that sleeps with me all the time. She's my baby. So it's alright. It's alright, look. Looky. Yeah. Mommy loves you. My baby. Yeah. She's my little baby. I love dogs so much. Dogs and horses are my favorite animals. So, but I have her, and then I have a full-blood chocolate lab named Buck, because he was a buck skin color when he was born. And then I have 2 other dachshunds or Winnie dogs. One of them is a long-haired, and his name is Little Man or TJ, because his dad's name is Toby, and he looks just like him, only his dad's smaller than him. You're right. And then I have Lily, and she's a short hair, but she's really soft, and she's a lighter than, I'm so sorry, I have the hiccups. She's a lighter color than her, and and she is the mom of TJ and the stepmom of this one. Her mom's name is Taffy, which is my aunt's dog. So, yeah. And I have another dog where I live. It's really my grandma's dog, but her name is Honey, and I don't even know what kind of dog she is. But she's like a honey color. Her eyes are a honey color, so that her skin and her eyes match, and she's really pretty. She's really fat. So, but all of my dogs are inside dogs, so they stay inside all the time, and and she's weird because she hates wearing collars. I actually am surprised my aunt got her to wear this one for longer than a couple hours. She hates wearing clothes too. She can't stand it. She hates clothes. But I buy them for her all the time, even though I know she's not gonna wear them, so I just waste my money. But she has, let's see, 3 brothers and a sister. And the only one of them we have is Max, and that's her brother. And then our family friend Robin, she has her other brother Jesse. So yeah, there were 5 out of that litter. So your baby. Now you. She's really shy. Like, if I put her up on my bed when the other dogs are in my room, and I'll be like, Mandy, I love you. She'll get inside like my elbow if I have my hands there. Like, she'll like hide her arm. She'll hide her arm. She'll hide her face like that, like tucked inside my elbow, because she gets embarrassed. My baby. And she really likes to sleep like a baby too. Like, most of the time when I hold her like a baby. And she just lays there, and I was playing the Xbox one night while I was sitting in my bed, and I had her like this, and she fell asleep. So then I was like, and she fell asleep in my arms. She's so pretty. I love you. My baby. So, and she's fixed, so she'll never have babies. She just turned 3. She'll be 4 February 28th. So, just like a month or so away. So, and she needs her nails clipped. Yeah. So you met my dog, or one of them at least. So say bye, Mandy. Bye. Bye, guys. Please watch my other videos, and if you liked, just comment and please subscribe. And if you have any requests for any videos, just inbox me, and